Hello there, today I'm going to be talking about the NGTeco Smart Video Doorbell. This video doorbell comes with two-way audio. With that function, you can have conversations with whoever is in front of the doorbell. It also comes with night vision, a cloud storage, and it can be remote controlled. Today I'm going to be unboxing this smart video doorbell and connecting it with my mobile phone. So let's get right into it. So before we begin to unbox our smart video doorbell, it is important to note that you have to install the NGTeco Home app on your mobile device, which is available on both App Store and Google Play Store. So let's get to unboxing our video doorbell. As you can see, we have the user manual and the quick start guide. Then we have our smart doorbell. It comes with a protective casing at the back. This is for when you want to attach it to either to your door or on the walls. So let's take this out. Now, to power on your NGTeco smart doorbell, you're going to have to turn this over and remove the back cover. You can see we have two batteries here that have a battery cover. These covers are here to protect the batteries from getting worn out, so you have to take out the battery covers. Just simply pull. You can see, then cover your doorbell back. You can see the blue LED lights that tells us that our doorbell is ready to be connected to our mobile device. So now I'm going to get my mobile device, which already has the NGTeco Smart Home app installed on it. As you can see, we have the NGTeco Smart Home app. Let's click on that.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
We have the Add Device button. There is no device currently added to this app, so I'm going to click on the Add Device. Now we have several categories. We have smart camera, video doorbell, alarm sensors, smart lock, electricals. We're going to click on the video doorbell. Now the name of this doorbell is the D200. So once you click on that, you can simply click on next step, then click on next. It is important to note that you need to have a Wi-Fi which will be used to connect the doorbell to my mobile device. As you can see, I'm connected to the ZKTeco Wi-Fi, so I'm going to click on next. Now it shows me how I'm going to connect my mobile device to my smart device. I have to place the smart doorbell in front of the barcode for it to be able to scan and connect to my mobile device. So I'm going to carry out the same function. You can hear the prompt. Once you hear that prompt, you click on the I hear the prompt button, telling you that your device is ready to connect. And in a few seconds, as you can see, a couple of seconds, what is this? My smart video doorbell has been added successfully. It's as easy as that. So right now, I'm going to click on the doorbell icon. And as you can see, it shows a preview of me on my mobile device. So you can either accept or decline. So I'm going to accept. Then you can have a simple conversation. Can I come in? As easy as that. You can cut. So that is how to connect your smart doorbell to your mobile device.